affordable gift ideas that looks expensive but won't empty your pockets. Let me save you from one of the biggest mistakes people make when buying gifts, because people think all luxury looking gifts has to be expensive. But today I'm giving you 6 affordable gift ideas that can look luxury, thoughtful and beautifully put together without emptying your pocket. And number 6 is one of my favorite because you can personalize it specifically for the person you are gifting. So make sure you grab your note because definitely you're going to write down something. So without wasting much time, let's just go straight into this video. But if today is your first time seeing my face on your screen, my name is Choice, a gift curator and a surprise planner. Welcome to my channel, besties, where we talk about gifts, surprises, relationship and simple ways to make people feel special. So do it to hit the subscribe button. And if you're someone that wants to give beautiful gifts without having enough money, this video is for you, because here is something I've learned. A gift doesn't have to be expensive to look luxury. It's about what you choose, how you combine it, and most importantly, how you present it. So that will take us to our main video today. And number 1 is a mini self-care box. Let's start with something simple, a mini self-care box. You don't need 20 items. All you could choose is something affordable, simple, such as body cream, lip balm, face mask, scented soap, or any other affordable products. Put them neatly into a small box. Add a handwritten note, tissue paper, and something this simple will become a beautiful self-care package. And most importantly, keep the color and the presentation coordinated, because that's what gives that luxury feelings. And that will take us to number 2, which is a personalized mug set. I know a mug by itself might not feel very exciting, but here is how you upgrade it. Choose a very nice mug. Add 1 or 2 things the person enjoys, such as tea, coffee, snacks, chocolate, and their favorite biscuits. Then add a handwritten letter. Or you could even choose a mug with a message that matches their personality. For example, I made this little comfort package just for you. And that will take us to number 3, which is a chocolate and a snacks box. And this is perfect for someone who loves food, just like me and you. Create a mini chocolate and snacks box instead of buying one big expensive chocolate. Add different textures and flavors. Arrange them neatly and put them into a small gift box. And please don't overcrowd it, because sometimes leaving a small little space in a gift box makes it look more premium. Add a ribbon and a simple handwritten card, and you've got a simple, beautiful gift package without spending much. And that will take us to number 4, which is a book plus a personal note. And this is suitable for the readers. Get a book that matches their interest and their personality. And mind you, it does not have to be the most expensive book. Most important part is choosing something that sells. I know what you like. Then write a short note inside. For example, whenever you open this book, always knows that someone cares about you. Now you've transformed an ordinary book into something sentimental. And sentimental gifts are always the one people often remember, And that will take us to number 5, which is perfumes or body mist. And you don't necessarily need to buy an expensive designer perfumes, Look for an affordable fragrance or body mist with an attractive packaging. Then pair it with something simple, such as chocolates or handwritten notes. The goal is to make the presentation feel intentional, because sometimes presentation can completely change how a gift feels. And that will take us to number 6, which is a personalized mini gift box. And this is one of my favorite, because this is where you combine number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 together. Like you combine everything we've talked about and choose the one that is most affordable and also the ones that matches their personality. For example, their favorite snacks, little surprise, self-care products, and arrange everything neatly. You can add a ribbon and also a little handwritten note. Secret is not about putting 20 things inside, but choosing the right thing. That's when someone opened the gift box and realized that every item inside was chosen specifically for them. That's when a simple gift box started feeling like a luxury gift package. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had a small budget and you want to buy a gift for someone you love, which of these 6 ideas will you choose? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6? Tell me in the comment section. And if you have another affordable gift idea that I did not mention, share it in the comment section, because you might actually help someone watching this video. If this video gave you an idea for your next gift, subscribe and become part of our little gifting community. And please don't go too far, because in my next video we are going to talk about things a lot of people are struggling with. See you there, besties. Bye bye.